So let's get right into it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for all my new subscribers. This is Brains and the Beat here on YouTube. Welcome all. Welcome everybody. This is my place. This right here is where I live. This is where I express myself. This is where I give my thoughts and opinions. This is where I am me. So let's get into this news article that comes from The Star. Women's rights advocate Latoya Nugget is calling on the government to lift the ban on pepper spray because of the increasing numbers of abductions and murders of women and children since the start of the year. I would want the government to lift the ban, but not without the necessary precautionary measures, because I understand that it can do a lot of damage and some persons may not know how to use it. Nugent said, I would like to be able to carry pepper spray in my bag. The Minister of State in the Ministry of National Security Parliament, Charles Dr. Jr. admits that the law should be evaluated in the context of the country's evolving circumstances. Ban justification. We have started understanding the justification for the ban in those circumstances and assess whether in our current circumstances that justification is still relevant, he said. Any protective device or mechanism that would make our women feel safer must be considered. Charles said he's also prepared to discuss the matter with his colleagues at the ministry, with more than 25 women being killed by their spouse or exes in 2016, coupled with jaw-dropping fear of abduction that has been gripping the nation since the beginning of 2017. The Star understands that women have been arming themselves with pepper spray. A corporate area-based company that sells protective devices, including pepper spray, advertises the product on its Facebook page. One of its operators said that there is a need for women to be able to protect themselves. Police can't be everywhere, so what they could do is encourage females to have protective devices, the operator said. However, Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay insisted that pepper spray are still illegal and the police will confiscate them if they are found on persons. So basically, give me a sec. I'm gonna go get my purse. So basically, the Jamaican government has disarmed our women from being able to protect themselves. We are completely disarmed. We're not allowed to take pepper spray. Illegal if you take pepper spray. Illegal if you take taser. Illegal if you carry ratchet. Illegal if you get gun if you don't have license or permit. Illegal if you... Everything that we can use to protect ourselves as women in Jamaica, they have made illegal or made very hard to get permits or license for. Basically, you have to have a bag of money if you get your license and permit if you carry a firearm or get a taser and all that. You have to have them big bucks to shell out. Which regular woman in Jamaica, where they work on 9 to 5 and have 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 picnic them, they send go to school and take care of our family and all these things, can afford that amount of money that they want to get a license or a permit for a firearm, pepper spray or taser in a Jamaica. Please, mother, like somebody tell me which regular woman in Jamaica where they work 9 to 5 have that much money to just dash out. Have a license or permit from the Ministry of National Security and the Trade Board for carry taser, pepper spray, firearm and all them things there. So which woman in Jamaica can afford that? So we have completely disarmed our women, and now our women are left in a vulnerable position. So if a man come and try grab them, abduct them, rip them off, they have nothing to keep themselves safe. And there's not a lot of places in Jamaica that teaches self-defense and all that. There's not a lot of places. So what do the Jamaican government expect women to do? Because if me did live in Jamaica, remember me tell you, anyone me forget the pepper spray and the taser and anything with to protect myself, moda get it. Me not care if it illegal or not. Because the government are not there to save your life when man come to rob you, rape you, abduct you, and murder you. Okay, the Jamaican government is not there. It's up to you as a citizen to protect yourself, your kids, and your family and your well-being. So when they talk about how you have to get license or permit from the Minister of National Security and Trade Board, then they talk a bag of BS. A bag of BS. It should be a right, a Jamaican citizen's right to devices that can protect themselves. Me no wish back a whole Jamaica there in a them government system and them legislation and all these things, but they need to fix up and righten up, because the amount of women that's getting killed, murdered, and raped, abducted at Jamaica, it is ridiculous to still have this law in place at Jamaica. It is ridiculous. And my heart goes out to all of the women that will live at Jamaica. Especially we have Pitney, we got school at Jamaica. Because in the take with Pitney, a woman like Sandgreen at Jamaica. And quite honestly, I have a taser. I have a taser. My taser is in my bag 24/7. Okay? 24/7 at all times. Especially when me go work, because me go work early in the morning. Me left my house like 5:20 or 5:25, 5:30. Out the door black. Pitch black, you can't see nothing. Not even the light them in the road you can't see sometime when it get foggy. So when me as a woman they come out of my apartment, me always have my taser in my hand, because anybody fuck with me, then they get tased, or come even close to me, then they get them ass tased. So my heart goes out to all the women in Jamaica who know said they can't have this legally, and if you're caught with this, you'll probably go to jail in Jamaica. My heart goes out to all the women, because me can only imagine how it feels to not be protected, or you can't protect yourself. You feel helpless. You feel hopeless. There's nothing you can do to protect yourself in a time like that at Jamaica. In a time like this in Jamaica, because too much stuff that go on to women and children in Jamaica for these laws to be in place. And God know me, I tell you the truth. If me live in Jamaica, I would get taser all going to. Because nobody now rob me and thief me and abduct me and carry me, go rape me and tab me up. Me so sorry. I'm so sorry. And that's just how I feel about the whole situation. A civilized time now, man. A civilized time. The government need to review some of these old ass legislations and laws that they have in Jamaica that is redundant and ridiculous. Especially in a time like this that we're living in, with the amount of crime that's being committed against women and children. Full time. It is full time. And not only do I have a taser, okay, I will have a gun very soon. As soon as I get my proper training and all that, I will get a gun license and my gun, because it's my right as a citizen, and I am going to use my rights. I feel like Jamaican women that's living in Jamaica should have the same rights. Because we don't know different from no other else country. We go through the same shit. People get raped and abducted and all these things at USA all the time. So that's why we are allowed this right to have a taser and have a gun if we have a license and all these things. And I feel like it should be the same in Jamaica. No different. So that's my whole thoughts and opinions on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Do you think it's a ridiculous law? Do you think that women feel helpless? Do you think, just tell me in the comment section what you guys think. Express your concerns and comments, because people are watching and people are listening. Even though they act like they don't and then tease me stories all the time, they're watching and they're listening to you guys. And that's Sykes. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. I'm a part of here, man. Deuce. Love you guys.